check out the situation here. So you all remember the newest project we got in, the 72 Chevy pickup. Well, here's the frame for it. We're just going to roll the diff out of it. We'd loosened everything off on the diff, but we left it in there for now so we can wheel it around like a wheelbarrow if it's in our way in the yard, but it's going to be going down for blasting. We got the cab off. We got the box off. Got everything off, right? Obviously. Typical cab corners, rockers, floors, body supports. The typical stuff is what it needs. What else can I tell you? Now what we're going to do is we're waiting for the frame for the 76 short box we're doing. It's over getting blasted in that. So when we go, what we're going to plan is when we go to pick that one up, we're going to drop this one off, which will be next week. Because here in Canada we got Turkey Day this weekend. Thanksgiving. I don't really like turkey all that much, but I'll eat it once or twice a year. But I'd sooner eat a chicken than a turkey. So anyway, here's the cab for the other one we're talking about. This is the 76 short box Stepside 4x4. Mike's just fit the door on there. He had to cut all this area out where it was gone. He's fit the door and he's just starting with the inner rockers and fitting. You got to put the door on so you make sure the outer rocker fits and the cab corners fit and all that shit, right? There's the cab corners down there and the inner cab corner. Alright, there's your rocker panel. This is the worst side of the truck. That's what we're doing there. T is all welded up. Welding is all done. We got it all unbolted. He's got everything out of it. What's going to happen is we're going to be lifting the body and the frame, or the box off it tomorrow. And the frame on Saturday, Sean's going to start sanding up the frame. We're going to get the frame all painted up. Gentleman wants to paint the frame black, and then from there we're going to rough in the bodywork on this and get that painted up satin black. So I have a nice shiny black frame with a satin black body. And Sunday Fun Day, hell yeah, we're back. We're working on the shoe box. I know I've missed the last two. I've only gotten one Sunday Fun Day in so far in a long time. Sorry, I was away. I was away this weekend up in the Okanagan. Went to a Soyuz, hung out there for 5 days and relaxed. Now I'm going to go back onto it. So I'm like, fall is here. I'm not going nowhere. Well, maybe somewhere. We'll see. Okay, Chrysler is all wired up and back home. Wired up, everything's new. Complete new wiring harness, everything works on it. The only thing that don't work is the gas gauge on the gauges itself is funky. Doesn't really work. Oh, there's the old switch shown there before, garbage. But everything is done. It actually starts with a key now rather than a screwdriver. It's got everything working on it. So that's nice. Let's see, where's the switch here? There's a little dome light up there. Oh, they must have the battery disconnected. Lovely. Anyway, so it's home. So next we're going to do is get the glass in it, and we got to do all the brakes on it. The brakes are just hooped on this thing. So that's what's going to go on there. I'm working away putting this caddy together. There's the caddy. Got all the front chrome on. Still a few pieces I'm waiting for from the owner. Headlight rings, doors, whatever you want to call them. The V8 emblem. I do have the strip chrome there. Started putting the chrome along the sides and the fender skirts. There you go. Waiting on the emblems for there. Got all the welting put in place. There, got the trunk lid on. Tail lights are on. He's got new reverse light lenses somewhere waiting. Got the splash apron on, and then you can see what it looks like without the chrome on this side. Obviously, plain Jane, no chrome. I did get those pieces on, but you know, there's no chrome down below. None of that. No welting in here yet. Got to do that. And how you do that is these quarter panels on these cars unbolt. See, unbolt the quarter, let it hang loose, real loose, and then you notch the welting out around every bolt and jam it down in there, and away you go. Let me get all the chrome on there. Got our dash there. Looking good. So that's okay. Sean's working away on here and everything. He was on the Falcon primering parts this morning. And then he stopped and went onto a hood over here. So it's got the doors primered up. First primer. This is first primer on the doors on the outside. They're roughed in bodywork. Trunk lid. Yeah. He's got the bodywork roughed in here. You know, he's got some interior parts all primed up. Coming along good. Got the inside of the hood over there, you can see. He's got that all primed up, got to the outside. Now he's working on the hood for the orange truck that he's seen out in the yard there. He's working on that. Yeah. There. And then we got some interior parts over here for the Caddy. These are the interior parts. So gotta put the window moldings back in. This covers the column. I don't know. I don't think I'll be putting these on just for the fact that he's got to put the door panels on before these go on. So if I put them on, he's just going to take them off again. And we're not doing the interior, right? So no point. No point doing that. What is this here? Oh, that's primer for something else. Okay. Don't worry about that. I think that's it. I know you're probably like, what the hell? It's looking kind of empty around here, but not really. Not really. I've got some more stuff coming in. Just line it up properly. Sometimes it gets empty around here, and then it fills up again just as quick as it's empty. So the Mercedes, you're all wondering the Mercedes at the upholstery shop. It will be back here. Stay tuned on my Facebook page, Old Time Garage, and my Instagram, Ricks_Old Time Garage, and you will see photos of it. I'll run down to the upholstery shop and grab some photos for you guys. I'll maybe do that next week. I can do that next week, yeah. So that's it. It's Friday tomorrow, thank God, and then Saturday and Sunday. And like I say, I'm going to be working on my car all day Sunday, and that's what the plan is. And then have some friends over for Turkey Day. So hey, any Canadian people out there watching, well, happy Thanksgiving. And don't know what else to say to you. You Americans, it's on the way soon. It's on the way, November. I think that's when you have it, right? And thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And be ready for Sunday. Let's get some welding done. See you later.